Hey everyone, and welcome. I'm so excited to share something that's changed my life. The Huutoo Pain Relief Device. If you're tired of surface level relief, get ready for something revolutionary. Unlike traditional massagers, Huutoo uses dual wavelength infrared therapy. See how it works? Red light targets surface muscles, while near infrared light dives deep into joints and tissues for effective lasting relief. Neck stiffness, lower back pain, sore knees, muscle tension, I've used it for all of that. And Huutoo has you covered. It's designed to adapt to any body part, any pain scenario. Office workers, athletes, chronic pain sufferers, this device is your new best friend. Chronic pain, office work, sports recovery, this works. Say goodbye to bulky massage chairs and loud muscle guns. Huutoo is ultra lightweight and portable. I take it everywhere. Home, travel, business trips. Never skip recovery again. Huutoo isn't just effective, it's also premium. 3 built-in timer settings give you complete control, and the sleek aluminum alloy body is durable, stylish, and feels amazing in your hand. Plus, with modern Type-C fast charging, you're always ready to go. So, if you're looking for real pain relief that's convenient and effective, you need to try Huutoo. It's made a real difference for me, and I know it can for you too. Click the link below to learn more and get yours today. You won't regret it. Huutoo. Deep relief anywhere.